Hi, boys and girls. It is time for another edition of the Blue Book. And today we are going to be working on digraphs. We've worked on blends a lot. The L blends, the S blends, the P blends, the T blends. Oh, there's all kinds of blends. And that's where you take two consonants and you put them together, but you can still hear the sounds. Like SL, you still hear soul. For FR, you still hear fur, okay? With a digraph, that's where you take two consonants and put them together to make one sound, okay? Here's the ones that we're going to be working on. These over here are the big three. These are the ones that we see a lot. SH says shh. Say that with me. SH, shh. TH, CH, 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 ch. Okay. We also have some other ones that we might hear today, but we're not going to necessarily focus on them, but you're still going to need to know them. WH just makes wah, wah. And the PH, for some weird reason, the PH says, makes the F sound. I don't know. I didn't make these rules. It is what it is. PH says, okay? But these are the big three that we're going to really be focusing on this week, okay? Let's start with rhyming words. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to listen to the word I give you, and then you're going to tell me which word rhymes with that word. So, which word rhymes with wish, dish, or fly? Dish. Good job. Which word rhymes with mouth, white, or south? South. Which word rhymes with such, hutch, or sun? Hutch. Which word rhymes with math, man, or bath? Bath. Which word rhymes with tooth? Oh, sorry, booth or two? Booth. Good job. Which word rhymes with beach? Is it peach or ball? Peach. Good job. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Sometimes Miss Decker gets a little distracted, but you already know that. Okay, now beginning sounds, and these are the digraphs. So listen carefully for the sound, and you're going to tell me the sound 3 times, and then the 2 letters that make that sound, okay? The first word is this. TH. Cheese. Ch, ch, ch. CH. Think. TH. Shape. Sh, sh, sh. SH. This. Oh, we already did that one, sorry. Child. Ch, ch, ch. CH. Third. TH. Good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to blend some words together with some digraphs that you're going to hear at the beginning. So get your blender out here and get ready. Here are your sounds. Ch, ick. Your turn. Chick. Ease. These. Sh, t. Shut. Sh, ack. Shack. Ch, ip. Chip. Sh, ave, shave, I'm, chime, like your doorbell does a chime, thief, ooze, choose, theme. Good job, everybody. Those were tricky. Now we're going to listen for diagrams digraphs at the end of the word. Okay, so listen carefully. Then we'll punch out that ending digraph sound and then tell the two letters that make that sound. Okay, fish, sh, sh, with, th, which, ch, gush, sh, inch, ch, cloth, th. Good job, boys and girls. Now, gonna get your choppers out. We're gonna chop up some words with some digraphs in it. Get a little drink here. All right, here we go. Are we ready? First word is chill. Chill. Van. Van. Chase. Chase. Shut. Shut. Thick. Thick. Shock. Shock. Thumb. Thumb. Chain. Chain. Awesome job, boys and girls. Now we're going to add some beginning digraphs to some words to make new words, okay? First, ed. Add shed. Est. Add chest. At. Add that. In. Add chin. Ick. Add thick. Good job, boys and girls. Now we're going to take away some digraphs to find that little teeny tiny little ending chunk. Here we go. This. Take away is. Shove. Take away of. Chill. Take away ill. Think. Take away ink. Chant. Take away ant. Good job, boys and girls. These are a little bit tricky. All right, now we're going to change some of those beginning sounds, okay? Rip. Change to ch. Chip. Good job. Thin. Change to sh. Shin. Numb. Change N to th. Thumb. Hop. Change H to sh. Shop. Chick. Change ch to th. Thick. Awesome job, everybody. Let's look through our digraphs one more time just to help us remember. You could even pause the video and try to think of other words you know that have these sounds in them if you're up for a little extra challenge. Here we go. SH says shh, like in shoe or shop. TH says like in thump or thing. CH says ch, like in chop or chair, okay? And the other ones you're going to need to know just because they're there. We didn't work on them today, but you still need to know them. WH says wh, like in what, where. And PH says like in phone, okay? There you go. Good job practicing your digraphs. Make sure as you're reading, if you see any of those H digraphs put together, if you see an H put with another letter, always take an extra close look at it to make sure it's not one of those digraphs, okay? All right, happy reading, boys and girls. Good job today.